I had a great talk the other day with a bunch of other developers from the Twitter dev community on Whiskey Wednesdays. And we talked about a lot of great things when it comes to learning how to code and different challenges that can come up and different resources and things that can help you. And one of the things that I have found vital and I think is underestimated when it comes to learning how to code is the power of social motivation. That is the need for advice, encouragement from other people, but also just surrounding yourself with people that are doing the kinds of things that you want to be doing. It makes things a lot easier. So if you want to become a runner and you're not really motivated to get up yourself and just go running by yourself, finding a place where runners hang out and just surrounding yourselves with them will make it really, really easy, a lot easier. And the same goes for anything. The same goes even bad things. Like if you don't want to become an alcoholic, then don't hang out with alcoholics. I mean, just it goes the same, negative or positive. Um, the people you hang out with, you're going to begin imitating, and they'll start imitating you as well. So if you want to start coding, start hanging out with coders, basically. Go where they are. And there's a lot of them on LinkedIn. There's a lot of them on Twitter. Um, and, going to meetups is very nice too. Not really an option right now, but that helped me enormously. Actually going to meetups and being face to face with people and chatting with them, I learned so much from an in-person interaction with another developer that I did not get from any curriculum or tutorial. So that is so important, is to somehow surround yourself with other developers if that's what you want to do. Um, I know there's the 100 Days of Code challenge, like hashtag 100 Days of Code in Twitter, and a lot of people participate in that. Yeah, otherwise, I for myself, I wasn't really into Twitter to begin with. I've gotten more into it now, but I more went the LinkedIn route, and what I did was I started engaging with other developers, connecting with other developers, reading their posts, seeing what other people were talking about, and then I started creating my own posts, doing demo videos of my projects, just sharing whatever I was learning, and I got tremendous support and tremendous feedback from LinkedIn. So that's another way to go. But it's kind of nerve-wracking to put yourself out there as like, hey, I'm learning to code, and sharing all the struggles. And for the most part, people want to look good, right? So it's much easier to show your successes or your beautiful finished product. Um, but like when I put my projects out there, I always made sure that there was a live app that other people could actually use so that they could find the bugs for me and tell me about them. I hated it. I was always so nervous when I would release a new project because I'm like, they're going to find bugs and it's going to be really embarrassing. I would love it to be perfect. I know it's not, but that was also what I was looking for. I wanted to know the bugs, and when people pointed them out, I was grateful, and I went in there and tried to fix it right away. And the same with posting my code. Always posted a link to my GitHub um, repo so that people could actually look at my code. And I really, really appreciated it when people actually looked at my code, because that's what I wanted to get good at, of course. That's what I'm working towards. So anyway, I all I'm saying is it can be very embarrassing to put yourself out there and start interacting with other developers, but you won't regret it. And if you're looking for motivation and you're really serious about getting into coding, that's like the only way to do it, I would say.